Hi, my name is Paul Quinn, and I'm the creator of Prenatal Possibilities. Prenatal Possibilities is a website for women and their families to go to find the best information they can find about healthy eating while they're pregnant, easy recipes to follow, something to keep it easier so they eat healthy and create healthy habits for themselves and their families.
When I first found out I was pregnant, oh gosh, it was just the most incredible feeling in the world. I remember, looking at the pregnancy test in disbelief. Immediately, I was just like, okay, what am I doing? What can I change? I need to already, start making things for the better for this child.
There's a lot of false information out there, and a lot of it is anecdotal, it's secondhand, it's on sites from people who are just reporting off from someone else. So I wanted to cut through all that and then give them something in a way that was simple and easy to follow.
Paul's around pregnant women all the time, and he's made this his lifelong passion, and I really felt like you notice that the second you stumble onto his website. It's accurate information, he knows what he's talking about, and he knows women.
I see it as a platform for women to meet in one space and to communicate with each other and to share.
I love going on Prenatal Possibilities for the past. We did it with my daughter when she was pregnant, and also to simplify my lifestyle for the future.
These are such different recipes on Prenatal Possibilities that you can literally never get sick of it or tired of it, and it's fantastic.
There are infinite possibilities when it comes to food. My recipes are just one first stop.
If you do become a creature of habit, so you need some new venues to reach out to for more insight, and more things that are healthy and available to you.
They can scroll through. It's a very user-friendly website, and they can find anything they're looking for just by a simple search. So they're going to find a whole host of every meal: breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, snacks, appetizers.
Not only were they interesting recipes, but they were delicious and innovative and easy to make, because you're exhausted when you're pregnant and you don't have time to make all these elaborate meals every single day.
Half the reason people don't eat healthy is because they just don't have the time, or at the end of the day don't have the energy.
As a grandmother and primary caregiver of the grandchildren, I need quick and easy dinners, and also things that the girls love to eat as well.
I'm keeping it real, I'm keeping it basic, I'm keeping it inexpensive, and I'm making it actually something you can do.
I'm empowered by any shortcuts in life I can find, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. That's a win-win situation.
I am so honored to be able to work with women, and I want to give back to women for everything that they've given to me.
Now when I have girlfriends that are pregnant, I just point them right to Prenatal Possibilities.